morning, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. I got on a big block this morning here, a 572 with a carburetor on it. This one is a 700 rated horsepower, made about 727 horsepower, about 735 foot-pounds of torque. Awesome, and all down low. All done by 5500. Put that in a car. And that's what these guys want, or a truck, whatever. When you want this power, you want it down low. If it's a race motor, we want them up higher. But when it comes to a car, we want to keep them lower. Hey, you looking for any motor? Give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Peace. All right, Isaiah. I got one badass 1968 Chevy K10 572 big block on the dyno. We're going to fire it up, give you a dyno pull, and I think you're going to like what you're going to own. It's very cool. How you like that for starting up? That's tuned, baby, that's tuned. Great air-fuel ratios, good oil pressure. We're already at about 180 degrees. We're gonna make this pass, and this is our final.